Hi guys, for today's video we are going to add a poll at WhatsApp. Disclaimer, new WhatsApp update don't have the poll feature, so we are going to use a third party in adding a poll. Now let's start by going to Google Chrome and search polls.fr. Then type in the subject of your poll. In this example, we're going to use what is your favorite color. Then type in the choices as well for our participants to choose from. And if you need more choices, just click this plus button. But if you accidentally add more choices, we can click this trash button to delete the selected choice. Choose the duration of your poll. In this example, we will have this poll for only a day and a minute. And then hit submit. After that, we have an option to copy the link of the poll or click this button, so we will be routed automatically to the WhatsApp with the poll. You may select a group or contacts of your choice to where the poll to be sent to, then click this icon to submit. If a contact will vote, they may just tap the link below the choices. And you will be able to see the numbers who voted for certain choices. And that's how we add poll in WhatsApp.